Today I am going to provide a video of class 4 EVS My Body. Here two things you should know. First thing is external organs and second thing is internal organs. External organs, all these parts can be seen from outside and are known as external organs. Okay? There are several body parts which are present inside our body and cannot be seen from outside. Such parts are called internal organ. Now we have to discuss about digestive system. Digestive system of humans. You may observe here mouth, esophagus, liver, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, anus. Several times it is asked that to draw a figure of digestive system, label diagram. You have to label also. Now next thing, digestion. Complex materials and are broken down into simpler forms in our digestive system. This process is called digestion. Okay. Now it starts from mouth. Here teeth. You should know this thing. Two sets of teeth. Milk teeth, permanent teeth. Milk teeth is of number 20 while permanent teeth number is 32. Okay. Here types of teeth. In class 4 you have to know about types of teeth. Flat teeth. Flat teeth is also known as incisors and it is used for biting and cutting. Pointed teeth, it is used for tearing the food and also known as canines. Broad and groove tooth, premolars and molars, and it is used for chewing and grinding the food. Okay, here you are seeing broad and groove teeth, pointed teeth, flat teeth. Now next thing, ways to protect teeth. You should care your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night. Rinse or wash your mouth after every meal. It means you take some water in the mouth and you should move this water in your mouth and throw away. Okay. Avoid eating sweets or sugary snacks and taking soft drinks as much as possible. You should not take enough sweets. Visit a dentist for regular dental checkups. You should go near the doctor for checkup. Eat fruits like apple and guava and vegetables like radish and carrots. Such foods give exercise to our gums. Clean the tongue to remove gums. Eat calcium-rich food like eggs, milks, and milk products for a strong teeth. Okay. Now next thing, do you know? If sugar and bacteria are left on the teeth for long, they can cause tooth decay. Okay. So you should avoid sugar. The white outer covering of teeth is called enamel. This is the hardest substance in the human body. I have several times taught you this chapter. It means I have taught during our experience. I have taught several times class 4 and always I am telling you a story regarding enamel. Have you heard the name of Ziaul Haq? He was the former president of Pakistan and unfortunately his plane were crashed. By his enamel he was recognized that person is Ziaul Haq. Okay, try to understand this story regarding Ziaul Haq. He was the former president of Pakistan. Okay, now next thing, tongue. Tongue is a soft movable part inside our mouth. You have drawn this figure several times in class 3. Here bitter, sour, salty, sweet. Okay. Saliva. Saliva is a liquid. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands present in the mouth. These glands secrete saliva. Okay. The back of the tongue is sensitive to bitter taste. Its sides are sensitive to sour and salty taste. The tip of the tongue picks up sweet taste. Okay. Now stomach. Here the food is partially digested. A small intestine. You may observe where is the small intestine. Here you may observe a small intestine. This is the small intestine. Okay. Large intestine you may observe also. Large intestine. Now next thing is, while eating food, it is very essential to see what should we be eaten and how it should be eaten. Wash hands before eating, chew food properly, not speak, eat green vegetables, eat a balanced diet, take food at fixed interval, drink about 8-10 glasses of water every day. The length of the small intestine is approximately 7 meters, whereas the large intestine is only 1.5 meters long. Cooking makes food softy, tasty and digestible. It kills germs that may be present in the food. Here, importance of eating fresh, clean food. Unwashed fruits and vegetables can carry germs of disease, which can cause diarrhea, vomiting and other stomach ailments. So we should wash fruits and vegetables before consuming. Okay. Here also, people having worms generally look weak, pale and healthy. If you will take such type of unwashed fruits and vegetables, we will feel weakness. Peeled and cut fruits and vegetables which are exposed to flies and dust can transfer germs into the body and thus cause many diseases such as jaundice, cholera, etc. Okay. So we should cover our food. It is very important that a person suffering from diarrhea and vomiting should be given plenty of boiled water containing a small amount of sugar and salt. Okay. In case of diarrhea, we take sugar and salt. You know this thing. This is all about in this chapter. Here question answer also. Here internal front testing, speaking, salivary glands, germs, milk teeth. Here match the following. Here tick the correct option. Here also you are seeing question answer also. I will provide only answer of E. Okay. Value based question here also. One thing I will share to you, you should subscribe SK Singh Bikramganj channel so that you will get video soon. If I will make video, you will get soon video. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.